everyone, this is Diana with the Paper Pineapple, and today I have a little tutorial, I guess I would say, for an idea for a charm. So I was getting my album ready for starting for my October memories, and here's the album that I will be using this year. And I thought I'd use, do something different and do a dangle with the chain. And so I decided just to put all these cute little beads, wire wrapped beads, and all these little cute charms. And I thought, you know what? I want a potion bottle to add at the end of my chain. So here is what it looks like. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this cute little potion bottle. So what you're gonna do is the supplies that you'll need will be, go to your Dollar Tree store and pick up one of these mini glass containers. They come in 6. And so then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and make one. I never have too many of these. I thought it'd be a cute little DIY to show you to add little embellishments on your albums. So you take the little cork out, and then you're gonna get your little, I have this little tray that I put my glitters in so I don't make a mess. And then you're gonna go ahead and get the glitters or sequins or whatever you like. I'm gonna get some white sequins, some yellow, and I'm gonna use this finely ground jack-o'-lantern glitter because I wanna mimic the candy corn. So I thought that'd be cute to do a layer of orange. Well, actually, I think this is probably wrong. I think this is a correct order. It's the yellow, the orange, and then the white on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and mimic that. So I'm gonna try, I have this funnel here. And so you just fill it in. I think that's good. And then the orange, pop the cork there. I don't want to mix it because I want it to look layered. So kind of like when you make, oops, I kind of went out there. I moved the funnel a little, but you see, at least I have this little tray there. And it felt like it kind of went through anyway because they're stars. So if it would have been just glitter, I think it would have looked a lot nicer. And then the white on top, which I hope that this is big enough to go through. I put too much. I think it's gonna get stuck here, which it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'll put them in manually on the top here. I was hoping to have it layered on top, but it looks like they're gonna get all mixed up because I wasn't counting on the glitter being so fine. I think it would have been better if I would have had just orange sequins. I think that would have been better, but it's okay. This is just for the purpose of making this video. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix it because it looks like so the glitter overtook the colors in this bottle. So I don't really like it much. Not really. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another one because I don't really like how that looks. I think I'm not gonna use this fine ground one. Let's see if I have different colors. I think it'd be better if you just stick just to either sequins or all glitter, but the same amount of fine. Okay, and do yellow. Let's see if I'm gonna do some of this silver bullet shavings. See how that looks. better. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Oops. And then maybe add some purple. I thought I had purple, but I do not have purple on hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get maybe, I think I do have purple. I have pink, but I don't feel like that's too Halloween. So I'll add some purple and a little bit of black for the sake of this video. Okay. That at least has a little shape to it, and then I'll add some black stars. Oops. I think I added a little too much. You don't want to overfill it because you want enough space to put your cork in. So now that we got it filled there to the top, you want it like perfectly like at the very top rim of your bottle. I mean, if you want it to be stacked. There you go. See, that's a little better. Because I wanted it a little bit up towards the neck there. See? And then you have your layers of yellow, silver, purple, and black. I like how that looks. The zombie skin, silver bullets. Okay, so now that we've already accomplished by adding all their sequins in these little potion bottles, we're going to move the funnel and all the sequins out of the way. And then we'll move that one away. And then the next thing that you want to do is you want to grab, I'm not sure what these are called, but I ordered these on Amazon. If I find them, I can link them for you. They come in different colors. So there's like a silver, a gold, and like a black gunmetal looking one, gold one, and it's like black. So it just depends what colors you want. I'm just going to go ahead and stick with silver just because I just think that it just goes well because of the chain that I have, and if I decide that I want to do another one, I can. So you want to get this little, it has like a little screw at the end, and it has a little eyelet, a little eye at the tip. So what you want to do is you want to get a piercer, and you pierce a little hole in the center. But before that, I almost skipped a step. Sorry. So you want to add glue around it so that it completely seals and it doesn't come up. So this right here that I'm using is glitter glue, but I'm sure any adhesive that you have will work. It looks kind of white, but it will dry clear, so you won't see the glue. It will dry clear. Okay, and then once you do that, you're going to poke a hole towards the middle, and that's where you're going to screw in that this little thing here. Normally you want to wait till the glue kind of dries on the little cork so that you don't have any glue seeping out, but for the sake of this video, I don't want to have to wait too long. I'm going to go ahead and put this little glue inside the cork, and I'm going to push some glue inside like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some jewelry tools here, and just going to shove this thing in the little hole. And I would wait a whole 24 hours for it to set in, just to be sure. And you just put it as close as the middle as you can, and then you just set this aside for 24 hours, And then once that is completely dry, all you have to do is grab a jump ring, and you put the jump ring through here, or you can put a lobster clasp if you want to put it on a chain or so. It's the same idea. And then you get this. See here, I added a jump ring and I just added it to the end of my chain. And that is it, guys. You got yourself a little potion bottle to add at the end of your chain for your album. I thought it looked super cute. All right, if you have any questions, comments, let me know. Leave it in the description box below. I'll try to answer any questions, and I'll try to link the items that I did use to make this cute little potion bottle. But all right, I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.